Okay, everybody, we create our thank you slide in the previous lesson, but this thank you slide have some problem that we are going to fix them. At first, in the thank you slide, what you need to tell, what you need to do, you need to add something that are really important, and I've forgotten to tell you. We create a text box here. The first thing we are going to put here our contact IDs. Let me tell you in another way. For example, we go to Copilot and ask it if you've forgotten what to add. I know we must put email, contact, phone ID and a lot of things, but let's see if we forgot something and we don't know what we should paste in our thank you. We search what should we add to our thanks you slide and then search it. Wait a little. Contact information, call to option, acknowledge, visual element. Okay, your name, your email address, your phone number, your LinkedIn profile, your website. Let's put them all here into this text box. Let's paste it as a text. Why is making everything hard for me? Okay. Now from this pattern, let's add everything. At first, we need to add our name, your email address. For example, learning star Gmail. I don't can give you a Gmail, but for example, let's go by learning star gmail.com. or phone number, for example, phone number we go, for example, what I say 98, for example, let's say plus 98 76 33, for example, something like this. And then we make them bigger in size, give them a great color, and we put them here, this back. Why we put them? We can also make them greater by, for example, go to insert and to icons and wait a little to open it. I need to change my laptop and internet, but we are low in money for now because I purchased something again and I gave up all my money. But for now, let's go and see if we can find something that worth of adding here. I think we must have, okay, that's a good thing, but let's see if we find a better thing or not. There is nothing better. Okay, it's the best thing we need. Now we insert them. We just simply put it here and give it a great blue color, or it's better to give it white color. And now your slide has contact ID too. You can put it here, and if you look at this, it's great. Your thank you and everything you need is here. Okay, this is a quick lessons and easy lesson for you how to create thank you slide, but in the next parts we are going to complete our main part and do more things. Until the next part, don't forget to ask me if you need anything in the comments, and like and subscribe. Bye.